Being on a phone call is totally different with this headset. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is the EKSA H1 Plus Trucker Bluetooth headset. Now, I've already reviewed the H1 and I really liked it, but the Plus gives you a couple of really cool additions and improvements. I'll get to that as we go. So, it is a Bluetooth and wireless headset, and it's super comfortable. Obviously, you have one earpiece instead of two, and it's designed to work in a wide variety of noisy environments. Now, you don't have to be in a noisy environment to get the maximum benefit out of it, but I'm going to simulate being in a warehouse, and then you're going to hear just how good it is at cutting out all that background environmental noise on the microphone, which is super important. So, it is a boom microphone, and there are controls on the side. There is a mute button, it's easy to find, and then there's volume up and down for the audio coming out of the headphone, and then a multifunction button that lets you answer calls and pair Bluetooth and all the usual jazz. And you can wear it like this, but if you prefer it on the other ear, the whole thing's reversible because you can just swing the microphone to the other side. I actually prefer it on my right ear. I'm not sure what that says about me, but probably because I'm right-handed. Anyway, so like this, and then you can adjust it so you can get a really comfortable fit. And of course, the advantage of a design like this is that you still have absolutely full hearing of everything around you, even though here you're able to hear the person on the other side of the call. Now, let me give you some specs. It has a 100-foot range, and the noise-canceling ENC microphone, this thing here, is AI-powered. It's really smart, and it offers up to 45 decibels of cancellation on that background ambient noise, which they say gives you the elimination of about 99% of ambient noise. Again, I like to test things, so we'll do that in just a second. Has a nice big battery. It's a 500 milliamp battery, which gives you 30 hours of talk time. So if you're a trucker and you want to be talking to your best friend while you're on the road or something, 30 hours is way more than you should be driving without a break, right? So you can use this for day after day after day on a long haul and never have to worry about charging. Super easy. If full charge in 90 minutes, if you're just listening to music, it's almost 60 hours. And when you are ready to charge, it's just a USB plug on the bottom here. Super easy. Like I said, 90 minutes from dead to a full charge. Pretty sweet. And let me show you what's in the box. So really, actually, a surprisingly nice box. Comes with a user manual in many different languages. Comes with, let's open this up. It has both a USB charging cable, so it's USB-C on one end, which is the end you'd plug into the headset, and USB-A, the rectangle, which you'd plug into your power source or your computer. It'll charge off computer. And then one of the big additions for the H1 Plus is this little tiny gizmo. This is a USB dongle. So you can use this, plug this into a PC. It's auto-paired. You don't have to mess with it at all. You don't have to worry about if your PC has Bluetooth or not. Plug this in, make sure that it's set to be the input and output for audio on your PC or Mac, and you're ready to go. You could take a Zoom call. You could be on a Microsoft Teams call. You could do whatever you need to do. You could just be on voice over IP if your company has a system like that. So you could set this all up, have this working, and then still be walking around the shop while you're on the phone with a customer or the owner or whomever. So a terrific addition, really cool. Now, one other thing that kind of surprised me, is really nice, is it comes with a spare ear pad. So, you know, this ear pad is nice and soft and comfortable, but over time it's going to start to look a little grungy because it's just going to get dirt and sweat and just wear and tear. So when that happens, all you have to do is grab your box and switch out for the new one. It's included. And then finally, it also comes with a very nice velvet sort of satinish carrying bag, and it's really a nice bag, really nice feel to it, and it just makes the whole thing super portable because you could put your charging cable in here and your headset, and that's really all you need. And then finally, there's also, what is this? Warnings and cautions because lawyers are involved. But basically, that's it. So it's a really nice set of what they send you because you have the ability to get up to speed, learn about how to use it and all the multifunction button options, and just move around really quickly on this device. But it's really easy to work with. I paired this with my Apple iPhone in, I don't know, 10 seconds without even reading the instructions. When you first turn it on, it immediately goes into Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's obviously super easy to be able to actually pair it with your device. So my phone is paired, and we're going to do an audio recording so you can hear the sound background noise removal. But what I want to do is I want to simulate our factory here. So I have a little wireless speaker, and we're going to turn it on. And so now, make this nice and loud. Now I'm in a factory, and you can't help but be bothered by all that background noise. But what's going to happen when I use this? So we're going to keep this running, and I'm going to switch to this, and you're going to swear I'll have turned it off, but I haven't, right? You're not going to see me touch anything here. So we're already recording here, so let me get this recording. So now you're hearing the microphone from the EKSA H1 Plus with all that factory noise in the background. And you can hear it's pretty amazing what a good job it does of canceling all that noise. For me, with my ear this far from all that factory noise, it's like I'm in a factory, so it's no wonder I'm talking so loud. But let me turn it off. So now the factory background noise is off, and I'm still talking, so you're still hearing the EKSA H1 Plus audio, and you can hear in both situations it sounded really good. And when I wasn't talking, it was remarkable how all that background sound just went away. So really very impressive. Again, up to 45 decibels canceled, up to 99.8% of all background ambient noise. Now, let me switch back to my regular microphone. Okay, so we got that recording, you've got the demo, I've told you all the specs. There's really not much else I can tell you, is that other than maybe that, you know, there's a lot of use cases for this. If you're a trucker, if you work at a call center, obviously if you work at a warehouse or a shop, this is going to be fantastic. But even if you work from home and occasionally you have the TV in the background, or you have kids making noise, or your partner or spouse cooking or something, all of that environmental cancellation can really be a benefit. And it's sort of a really great setup because on the one side, you're getting pretty good acoustic barrier, so you can hear the other person really well. But you still have an open ear, so for your brain, you can still hear the environment around you, which is probably a safety issue if you're a single mom and you're home working and you got a little kid in the other room. You want to be able to hear if anything either makes noise or suddenly stops making noise. Meanwhile, the people on the other end, because of the noise cancellation, they're not going to hear any of that other ambient noise. So win, win, win. Particularly if you're a driver of any sort, if you're just planning on doing a quick drive from LA to New York, it's not going to be a quick drive, but you know, something like this could be an absolute game changer if you plan on being on the phone while you're doing that drive. So much better than those built-in speakers and microphones that you have in a car or a truck. I mean, they might have a microphone right above your head, but I don't think any companies are doing anything with environmental noise canceling. So generally, you're talking super loud to overcome road noise. That's very, very fatiguing after a while. So this is the alternative. Now, I will also tell you, it is super lightweight. They say it's a pound. I'm skeptical that it's even that heavy. It's just really, you won't even notice you have this on. You could easily wear this for a full day if that's your job. And it comes with a nice multi-year warranty. So, you know, if you have any issues or any problems with it, reach out to EKSA and they will help you out. So, only thing left to talk about at this point is the price. But before we get to the price, I'm going to ask if you could subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate when you do that. A click or a tap on that subscribe button, and then the same with that little bell icon, so then you get notifications when I post new content. We're connected. Awesome. Thank you so much. Now, This is the EKSA H1 Plus Trucker Bluetooth headset with included USB dongle. Super cool. $89.99. I have a discount code in my description which will give you 10% off. There's other discounts that show up occasionally on Amazon.com. So let's just call this $80.99 at Amazon.com. For 80 bucks, this is a game changer. And if you work in a noisy environment, then you're really gonna love this thing. Or maybe I should say, everyone else that you talk to is really gonna love this if you work in a noisy environment. And with that, I better get back to the warehouse, so I'll catch you in my next video.